National Weather Service Cleveland has issued a flood warning for Erie County until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:47 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, local law enforcement agents reported flooding was occurring at Birmingham at a bridge on Route 113. Some locations that may experience flooding include Eastern Erie County, especially around Birmingham. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Most flooding deaths occur in automobiles. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Erie County, Ohio. Flood advisory remains in effect.